In today's video, I'll show you how to create natural-sounding narration in ElevenLabs so your AI voiceovers feel smooth, realistic, and enjoyable to listen to. If you've ever generated an AI voice that sounded robotic, don't worry. A few simple adjustments can make a noticeable difference in how natural your narration sounds. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll create and preview your narration. Next, choose a voice that matches the style of your content. For tutorials, a clear and friendly voice works well, while storytelling or documentaries may benefit from a more expressive voice. Now, prepare your script before pasting it into the editor. Write the way people actually speak, using short sentences and natural wording instead of long, complicated paragraphs. Take a moment to review your punctuation. Commas, periods, and question marks help the AI understand where to pause, making the narration sound much more realistic. If your selected voice includes adjustable settings, test a few small changes and generate short samples.
You held my hand through the
Comparing different
darkest
versions
storms.
will help you find the voice
And
that
even though
sounds
you
the
are no
most
longer
natural
here,
for your
the
project.
warmth of your love
Once you're
remains.
happy with the setup, generate the full narration and listen to it from beginning to end. Pay attention to pronunciation, pacing, and overall flow. If any section sounds unnatural, edit only that part of the script and regenerate it instead of recreating the entire voiceover. When everything sounds smooth and consistent, download the finished audio and add it to your video, presentation, podcast, or any other project. And that's how you create natural-sounding narration in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.